Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to use Real Debrid with the Stremio. As you can see, I have opened both of the websites, Stremio and here is Real Debrid. So make sure to open this website real-debrid.com on your laptop or PC or phone, and open up any of your browser and go to this website. You'll search real-debrid.com and this website will come. So make sure to open this right one, and once you're here, just click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, then they will ask you to enter the details like your nickname or username. Let's say I choose this one, and choose a password and enter the email address, and make sure to fill out these details correctly and click on yes, and after that click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, your registration was complete. So after that, just refresh the page. So once you refresh the website, just go to your email address and make sure to verify the email and activate your account. And as you can see, this is the link, the email confirms. So just click on this link, and after that they will activate your account. As you can see, your account has been activated. You can now log in. So just click on login and enter the username and password and click on login. And once you click on login, so they will open an account for you, and from here you can choose either RD and 1, like you can read the price €3, €4, 9 and 16. So select any of you can read the days 15, 30, 90 and 180. So just click on any of what you want to buy, and after that, once you click on accept, and then you'll choose your payment method, and once you choose your payment method, then you will buy this subscription. And once you buy the subscription of this Real Debrid, after that you will be able to use this with Stremio. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use it with Stremio.